Hello, kids. Welcome to Little Star Learning and Playing channel. Hello, my little stars. Welcome back to our fun English class. Today we are going to learn something super easy and super fun. Adjectives. Do you know what adjectives are? Don't worry, I'll show you. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about a person, an animal, a thing, or a place. Example, a big elephant, a small ant, a happy boy, a red apple. The words big, small, happy, red are adjectives. Why do we use adjectives? Adjectives make sentences more interesting. Imagine saying, I saw a dog. Now add adjectives. I saw a cute, brown, playful dog. Wow. Much better, right?
Examples: a tall giraffe, a short cactus, a blue balloon, a loud drum, a soft pillow, a sweet mango, a fast car, a slow turtle, a brave firefighter, a shiny star.
Let's learn some simple types of adjectives. 1. Adjectives of size: big, small, tall, short. Example, a big ball. 2. Adjectives of color: red, blue, green, yellow. Example, a yellow banana. 3. Adjectives of taste: sweet, sour, salty, spicy. Example, sweet candy. 4. Adjectives of feeling: happy, sad, angry, excited. Example, a happy baby. 5. Adjectives of shape: round, square, triangle. Example, a round plate. 6. Adjectives of number: 1, 2, 3. Example, 3 apples. Fun activity. Let's play a game. I will show a picture, or you can imagine it. You say the adjectives. Picture 1. Apple. What adjectives? Red, round, tasty. Picture 2. Cat. What adjectives? Cute, small, furry. Picture 3. Bus. What adjectives? Big, yellow, long. Picture 4. Rainbow. What adjectives? Colorful, bright, beautiful. Let's quickly remember. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us about color, size, shape, feeling, taste, number, and they make sentences interesting. Great job, my little superstars! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning. Bye-bye. See you soon.